Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Coinbase wallet. Let's begin. So you're going to have to create a Coinbase account if you don't already have one, and you're going to need your ID so that you can verify your account on the Coinbase application. And secondly, you're going to add a payment method. You can use your bank account, debit card, or initiate a wire. Then afterwards, you can start a trade. And then on Coinbase.com, click the Buy panel to search and select XRP. On the Coinbase mobile app, search for XRP by typing XRP into the search bar. When you see XRP appear in the results, tap it to open the purchase screen. And then you're going to enter the amounts that you want to buy. Use the number pad to input the amount you want to spend in your local currency. This app will automatically convert that into an XRP amount. You can tap the arrow buttons to the right of the amount of money you want to spend to switch the number to the equivalent amount of XRP. And then you can finalize your purchase by using the Preview Buy option. When ready, you'll be shown the details of your purchase. Make sure everything looks good and then confirm your purchase by clicking Buy Now. Once the order process is complete, you'll be taken to the confirmation screen, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.